Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the revamped QuickShare menu on your Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 8.0. So QuickShare has a fresh new design with two tabs, Send and Receive. So here is an example. If I have this picture here, I can go ahead and share this and you will see this newly designed menu. From the sharing menu, you can go ahead and tap on QuickShare and this will take you to the revamped QuickShare menu. So as you can see, you have nice graphics in the Receive tab, and you have the Send tab where you can send items along. So you have an animated background that makes file transfer visually engaging. So stability for large files has also been improved on this. So file sharing is no longer a headache. You can quickly send photos, videos, or documents to friends without worrying about failed transfer. So the new design also makes it more fun. So there you go, guys. That is a new update on sharing cards and QuickShare on One UI 8.0. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.